Namaste. Today we will practice 3 powerful mudras that help relieve cough and cold. The first mudra is called as Apana Vayu Mudra. In this, fold the index finger, let it touch the base of the thumb, and then try to hold the other middle and the ring finger and keep the little finger straight. Hold this for around 5 to 10 minutes in this posture with deep breathing. You take a deep breath in and deep breath out. It's good to keep the eyes closed. You can sit on a chair. Only thing, your spine has to be erect, and see to it that your lungs are not compressed and both the hands are either resting on the thighs or on a table or anything. See to it. So this mudra improves the flow of energy to the lungs and heart. It helps to release the trapped air and mucus, easing breathlessness and chest congestion. With regular practice, it supports lung function and relieves the cold. So this is the first mudra called as Apana Vayu Mudra. The next mudra is called as Linga Mudra. In Linga Mudra, you hold the hands together, interlock the fingers, and see to it that one thumb, that is the left thumb, is around the right thumb, and the right thumb is kept straight. Hold this close to your chest about 5 minutes in this posture, and let the breathing be normal. You can sit on the floor, on a sukhasana, or on a chair. See to it that the spine is erect, eyes can be closed, and a normal breathing. One of the peculiarity of this mudra is that this mudra generates heat in the body. The warmth in the body helps to clear the cold which is in the body. It reduces the nasal congestion and soothes throat irritation. It also is reported to strengthen your immune system against colds. Finally, we discuss the third mudra called as Prana Mudra. In Prana Mudra, the ring and the little finger touches the thumb and other 2 fingers remain straight. Hold this position for around 5 to 10 minutes and you can continue your normal breathing. Keep the eyes closed and just relax yourself, and this mudra awakens the vital energy and boosts the immunity. It calms the throat irritation, eases coughing, and it also balances the respiratory system, helping you to recover fast. So, using these 3 mudras which we have discussed, breathe deeply, stay relaxed, practice this mudra daily as a natural support for healing from cough and cold. Namaste.